There's the new Shafakas. They're out. Look at them hopping around. They like their tree. Chimps would love a tree.
Candy donated this is
Oh you get to go to this benefactor party.
Yeah. So that's a Saturday after.
Too bad the chimps don't have a tree too. Hop around on. They'd love it.
Want to be a champ?
Look how cute they are. That one just hopped.
Seattle looks like sun.
I feel like I should be in a different spot, but they like it on their little tree. I wish the chimps would get trees like that. The chimps don't get anything. These guys are cute. They're cute, that's for sure. You guys are lucky that you're new and you got trees, because if you were old, you wouldn't get anything. How cute they are.